Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to this one we have 2x. This one we have number 1, so we just have only number 7. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. So this one we change by u. 2x plus 7 dx we change by du. So we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have 9 over 5. This one we have 9 over 5. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.